I took off my spoon mirrors. These used to be glossy carbon, and I just sprayed it with 2K matte clear. I think it looks pretty good. So I had to de-pin this, by the way, because I had to remove this little harness from this guy to get it through this little angle thing. So I'm just gonna put this together right now. Hopefully I remember the pattern. This is a powered mirror, by the way, so if you guys are curious, these are real spoons. I don't know if fake spoons have power. I don't remember, but yeah. Do they look the same? Pretty much. I don't really care. But how does it go? Does it go like this? There you go, it goes like this. And the production quality of these things, other than the carbon looks okay. Like it looks decent. But everything else, like the back of the fiberglass right here, looks kind of crappy. It looks very China. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It looks very China back here. So yeah, difference between the real spoon and the fake spoon, probably the price tag and the power option. Otherwise, they kind of look the same. I'm trying to get this stupid washer into this bolt. Yeah, so if you're a JDM snob, FYI, your mirrors look like they're made in China. Even the back of this has a sticker. It says QC passed. It looks exactly like the QC sticker they put on Chinese products. You know what I mean? I know I'm probably gonna trigger some JDM snobs, but I'm not a JDM snob. I could care less. The only reason why I got real spoon parts is, or at least this mirror, is because I'm friends with the Spoon USA guys, so it would be a disservice to my friendship to get fake stuff, especially when they sell the real deal stuff. Just gonna put this together like this, and then we'll pop the pins. These little standoffs right here is what adapts it to the car. So the mirrors are actually the same, EG, EK, DC. The only difference is this triangle and then the standoffs. And that's pretty much it. Now, this is fully assembled, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. So if you need to paint your spoon mirrors, just take it apart like this, put it together, and it looks like that. Now, the fun part is the pinouts. See the pinouts right here? So I've labeled these guys, left hand and right hand side. I'm assuming they're the same. But if I remember correctly, it kind of goes like this. Hopefully you guys can see this, but all I know is the middle is red and then the outside is black. So you kind of hear it, right? Like clicks. Boom. There you go. Fully assembled, painted, nice and pretty. I guess I should probably remove the plastic, the blue tape. This is so easy, dude. Like, don't be scared to paint things. I know this is a rare mirror. People are selling these things for like $1,000 now. Isn't that crazy? I think back in the day, these things used to be like, I don't know, 300 bucks or whatever. So yeah, I guess they're worth something, but I just ruined it by clear coating it with 2K matte clear. Look at that, nice, huh? I made it look fake.